Here we have your cruise control switch. Press down to engage. The button to the left is to set and control the cruise control. Press down to set the cruise control. Press up to accelerate and down to decelerate. This is your Park Regen switch. Press it down and also press the engine diagnostic switch to turn on. When not in use, make sure to keep the Park Regen switch in the upward position. This switch will lower and raise the height of your bus. Press down to lower the bus and up to raise the bus. This switch kneels the bus. Press down to load and unload your passengers. When your passengers have loaded or unloaded your bus, press this switch to return the bus to its normal operating height. This switch releases the pressure on the tag axle. Press once to release and then hold to re-engage. Open and close the door with this switch. Press down to open the door and press up to close the door. Do not open the door while driving. Doing so will damage the bus and can cause injury to the driver and passengers. This is your air horn switch. Press down to engage. Now the button located on the steering wheel will sound the air horn when pressed. When not in use, make sure the air horn switch is in the upward position. This switch controls the 6 passenger TVs, and the one to the left of it controls a large front TV screen. This switch controls the retarder, which is used to slow the bus when brakes aren't needed. And this lever increases the pressure for the retarder: low pressure, medium pressure, high pressure. Return the lever to its original position when not in use. Here we have your engine fire suppression switch. Only push this button if there is a fire. This button is a one-time use. When pressed, the fire suppression cans are activated and cover the engine in a foam designed to suppress fires. Unnecessary use of this button can damage engine components. Next we have your front fog light switch. Here we have your rear fog light switch. This is your luggage compartment light. This is your driver's reading light. This switch is for the aisle lights. This switch is for the exterior docking lights. This switch is for the first set of white parcel rack lights. This is the second set of white parcel rack lights. This is your passenger reading light switch. Here we have the blue parcel rack lights. Press once for the first set and twice for the second set. This switch is for the driver's sunshade. Press up to raise the shade and down to lower the shade. Here we have the washroom compartment power switch. This is the AC economy switch. This is the engine heat up switch. It's a 2-step switch. First step to turn on and a line to set. Here we have your engine fan speed switch. It's a 2-step switch. Press once to engage and press again to set. Here we have your power switch. This switch turns off all the power in the bus. Do not push it while driving. Doing so will cut all power to the bus, causing abrupt shutdown. Engaging the switch while driving can cause damage to the bus and injury to driver and passengers.